Welcome back to Epic Mentorship. If you're new here, consider liking and subscribing to our channel to keep enjoying videos like this. In today's video, I want to share with you how to use 3D formulas in Microsoft Excel. Now, they are called 3D formulas because they help you to kind of calculate things within different kind of sheets. So for example, I can get some data, I can pull out some data from this second sheet, this third sheet, this fourth sheet, and this fifth sheet. For example, in this data that shows the game sales within 2021, 2020, 2019, and 2018. Okay, so for example, I need to put in some data over here. For example, I need to put in the total sales revenue for the whole 4 years, 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. So, and I need to pull out each data from each cell. So for example, I need to do summation of all. So that actually basically there are three ways in which you can do this. So the first way is to go on in each cell and copy this data. This is the total sales for the year 2020, 2021. You can copy this value, you can copy it out, and then you can go to 2020 as well, copy this out. You can go to 2019, copy this out, or you can go to 2020, 2018 and copy this out, and then you can come back all the way here and sum all of them. The second way is to use formula, the normal formula. You can come to say equal to summation. Okay, so you can open your brackets and then you can navigate to each of the sheets. For example, we come to sheet 2021, and once we are on sheet 2021, you can see the formula changed at the top here. Okay, it's now showing that we are on sheet 2021 and we want to take this cell B16, so we select it and then we can go to 2022 and then we can put the plus sign because we need to add it to the other one. So we'll put the plus sign and we can come to 2022 and we select the same cell B16. Okay, you can see, and then we can put the plus sign again, and then we can come to 2019 and then we can select B16 as well, and then we can put the plus sign also, and then we can go lastly to 2018 and we select this very cell and we can close our bracket and hit enter. And you can see this returns to our first page, which is the all-time totals, and you can see we have $236,000, $298, okay, in total. Okay, this is the total revenue generated in sales. So this is the second method, and I think this is quite hectic, and you need to be quite ready to do all this. It takes time and it takes energy as well. So there is one last method, which is the use of the 3D formulas. Okay, they make the work quite easy and fantastic for you, and you can do that regardless of the number of sheets. You can go as many sheets as you can. To use the 3D formulas, let's try to delete this, and we can come back to the same cell and we can come to equal to, and we can put our summation, open our bracket, but then now instead of the usual way, we come to sheet 2021. And you can see the same way the formula changes, but then when we select this cell that we are targeting, cell B16, we don't have to go to each cell and do the same selection of the grand total sales in that year. So all you need to do is to hold the shift key and we can come all the way and click on sheet 18, and you can see right away it has highlighted sheet 2020, 2019 and 2018, so making it very easy and fantastic. Now it has selected all those grand totals in 2020, 2019 and 2018, right? So with this, you can just hit on enter and it will return the total, and the same way $236,000, $298. Okay, so you can see this is the simplest process. You can do that on all your data. Mind you, why this is successful or why this is easy is because the nature of the data in 2021, 2020 and 2019, they are all situated in the same data, in the same format, and we are targeting nearly the same cells. Okay, the same cells. So that's why the formula actually worked, because we are targeting on the same cells, the same format, and the data are well arranged in the same way. Okay, and you can do the same for other summations, other formulas. For example, I'm doing summation because I use sum all the time. If you want, you can do average. Okay, you can take average of all the data. You can do max and minimum of all the data. You can do mean, okay, of all the data. You can do median of all the data. You can do all that depending on the formula. You just put in the formula and it works for you perfectly. So now let's take a look at total items sold. Okay, to come into total items sold, you can come to do the same formula. We can repeat the same process by just coming over here and clicking on equal sign, and then we can put in summation and we open our bracket. We can come back to cell 2021 and we can see the data over here. Okay, we select this data. So mind you, we just hold the shift key and then we can go to 2028. If you want to select the number of sheets maybe up to 2019, you can do also, and you can see it has shown up to 2019. And if you want to include 2018, you can still come over and select 2018. Okay, or if you want to do custom selection, maybe you want to take in 2020, 2019. So once you're done, you can hit on enter and you can see it has returned the total value. Okay, so I think this kind of looks cool and fantastic, and is a very easy way to arrange your data and manage your data management in Excel, and it makes works quite easy for you. With the 3D formulas, you can easily navigate and copy or arrange your data and carry out all the formula, all the operations in terms of summation, average, taking marks and means, and even doing other forms of calculations. Once you understood the process, it's very easy to apply this formula and then you have your data fully analyzed. Okay, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.